Hey guys, my name is Nikki. I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. All right, so it is Monday. It is time for our Motivation Monday, our Flylady accountability video. All right, so I'm going to kind of recap what I was able to accomplish last week for Zone 4. I'm going to talk about my plan this week as we're moving into Zone 5 and hopefully just encourage you along the way. All right, so if you see me looking down, it's because I have my planner in front of me and I'm kind of looking at my list so that I kind of make sure that I cover everything. All right, so last week was Zone 4, and for me that is master bedroom, master bathroom, and my closet, which I didn't really have anything that needed to be done in my closet. Monday is my weekly home blessing day, so I don't do any zone cleaning on Monday typically. So I usually zone clean for 15 minutes Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, or sometimes I just kind of lump it all together and do one day for an hour, or 2 days I spend 30 minutes. Last week I had kind of 4 areas that I kind of broke it down into and wanted to just focus on that. All right, so Tuesday, I did set my timer for 15 minutes. This is a big deal for me because setting a timer really puts a limit, because a lot of times for me, if I'm decluttering something, it's really easy to just kind of get in the zone, completely lose track of time. It's 2 hours later and you have like this huge mess that you kind of then have to deal with. So make sure that when you're decluttering, you are setting your timer. I set my timer for 15 minutes. I knew that my bathroom cabinets and drawers just kind of needed to be gone through. They were kind of getting a little full and a little bit messy. You'll see right here, I was able to get rid of 2 trash bags full of stuff. Actually, this is just one, but there were 2. I had 1 trash bag of things that needed to be thrown away, and then I had another bag that I filled up of things that I was able to donate. I had some things that were in really good condition. They hadn't been used, they weren't opened, and they were just things that I wasn't going to use, so I got rid of them. It made such a difference. My cabinets felt nice and cleared out, and like there was kind of room to breathe, so that was a good thing. All right, the next major thing that I wanted to focus on last week for Zone 4 is I wanted to make sure that I got all of the linens cleaned on my bed, and then I also wanted to do just a really thorough dust and like polish my furniture and things like that in our bedroom. So Wednesday, really the only laundry that I did Wednesday was bedding. I ended up not washing my sheets on Monday for my home blessing hour because I wanted everything to be washed and fresh on the same day. So I still did my kids' beds on Monday, and then Wednesday I was able to wash my mattress pad, I washed the sheets, I washed the comforter, and the blanket. So it was a total of 4 loads of laundry, and then like my little blanket that I throw on the bed. So all of that got washed, and then during the day, so I just kind of focused on that throughout the day. I also set my timer for 15 minutes and I dusted my bedroom really well. You'll see that I dusted the blinds in my bedroom and my bathroom. I dusted the furniture. I got my end dust out and shined up all my furniture. I moved everything and just make sure that everything was dusted really well. I also dusted along some of the baseboards. One thing that I did not do is I did not do up high this time. I did that last time. I decided to skip it. The main reason I skipped it this time is because I had already pulled the dirty bedding off of my bed, and I like to dust up high while the bedding is still there so that the dust falls onto that. So I just skipped it this time, which wasn't a big deal. But I did get all the dusting done, so that was a good thing. And I only spent 15 minutes doing it. I ended up having just a little bit of time when I was done, so I went ahead and grabbed my other cloth and I did the mirrors in my bedroom and my bathroom really well. Like I did the whole mirror, did a really good job. So that's what I did on Wednesday. Okay, so for Thursday, that is the day that I worked on my shower. I kind of talked about this a little bit in last week's video, but I am going to start making sure that I do clean my shower and the showers upstairs every week. Last month I tried to go a month. That was not a good thing for my house. I thought about trying to go every other week. I'm just not going to do it. I'm just going to do them every week. And I know for me, if I do them every week, it's really fast and not a big deal. So I'm going to continue to do that. But because I had not done it for the month, I really did need to do it this day. So Thursday, I didn't set my timer because I knew that no matter what, I was going to finish. But it really didn't take long. I actually grabbed the bleach and I bleached it the day before because it was just a quick spray. And then I went back about 20 minutes later, just rinsed it off, not a big deal. Thursday, I got out my solution of vinegar, Dawn, and water. That has been the best thing for the tile in my house. I've used a lot of different things and it's what I like best, but I spray it down really heavily, really well. I let it sit for about 20 minutes. Then I come back and kind of get everything wet, and then I just take one of those little blue sponges that has the little scrubber on it, and I just kind of scrub the tile, and it really gets all the soap scum off. And when I do this regularly every week, it doesn't take long, it's super fast, and I don't get any buildup, and that's been the best thing that has worked for me. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I have tried many different methods of doing this. I tried last month, only doing it once a month. I've tried wiping the tiles. I've tried a lot of different things, and really this works best. And when I do it every week, it's fast. So that's what I'm going to keep doing. I did also just purchase a new shower curtain liner, and I put that up. I didn't show it, but I did do that. I have a question though. I've always just bought the plastic shower curtain liners. They're very inexpensive, and I just replace them every so often. Every now and then I'll throw them in the washing machine with a little bit of bleach and a couple towels, and they come out nice. But I've never used a fabric shower curtain liner. So if that's something that you have, do you like it? Do you recommend it? I know they're more expensive. The ones that I've seen them anywhere from about $15 to about $25, which if they're nice and they hold up, to me, it would totally be worth it. So if you have one and you like it and you recommend it, let me know. All right, so last week was very successful. I felt really good about my weekly home blessing hour last week. I felt good about my zone cleaning. I got everything done that I wanted to. I really worked hard to stay focused on my list this time and do just those things, and it worked well. All right, so now we are going to talk about this week. We are moving into zone 5, which for me is my living room. This week is also the week of Thanksgiving for those of us that live in the United States, so it's a busy week. So because of that, I really want to kind of keep things simple. Today's Monday. I'm going to do my regular weekly home blessing hour today, and then because this is the week of Thanksgiving, I'm not going to do zone cleaning all week. I'm just not. I'm going to take Tuesday. I've got a list of 4 things that I'm about to share with you, and I'm going to do those 4 things on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, those days are set aside for family. I will keep up with my routines those days, my morning routine and my evening routine, and I'm just going to keep things simple. So I hope that you will choose to do the same. That's one thing that I'm really finding that I like about the Flylady system, is that because I've been keeping up with these things, here we are, it's Thanksgiving. I've been doing little things, 15 minutes at a time every day. And I'm not going to have to stress about cleaning my house or anything like that. So I am super excited about that. All right, so Tuesday, like I said, I'm going to kind of concentrate on 4 things, and I'm not going to spend more than an hour. All right, so this week for zone 5 in the living room, and I'm looking down at my list. So if you see me looking away, that's why. I'm going to do a really good vacuum and mop of the whole living room. I'm gonna, move things off the floor. I'll move the chair under my desk and things like that, and just make sure that I do a really good job vacuuming, and then I will mop. Before I do that though, I'm also going to dust. I'm going to dust the whole room. I'm going to make sure everything gets wiped down really well. All of the things on my bookcases, they're going to get picked up, they're going to get wiped. And then anything that is wood, I'll use my Endust on that. So all of that will get done. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to vacuum my couch. I'm going to take all the cushions off, and I'm going to vacuum under the cushions. Then I'm going to vacuum the cushions and just make sure that everything is put back nice and neatly. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I take all the blankets that are in the living room, and I'm going to throw them in the washing machine so that I can make sure that they are nice and fresh. So those are the things that I'm going to concentrate on. When I dust, I didn't mention this, but I will do the blinds. So I still should be able to get all of my dusting and polishing, wiping, all those things done in 15 minutes. So that shouldn't be any problem. So like I said, this is the week of Thanksgiving. I hope that you're going to spend way more time concentrating on family and spending time with friends and loved ones and cooking good food and then just enjoying your family. Depending on your schedule and how things are set up, I know it's going to look differently and work differently for everybody, but that is my plan. So let me know in the comments, what are you going to be focusing on this week with it being the week of Thanksgiving? Is it going to look a little bit different for you than other weeks? How are you going to make it work? I hope this gives you some motivation to get some things done. I hope this is encouraging to you. If you didn't get things done this week the way that you wanted to, that's okay. Just dust yourself off, get up, and just keep going. No reason to beat yourself up over it. Just get back up and keep moving forward. I'm not sharing a meal plan this next 2 weeks simply because it is the week of Thanksgiving, and so we're doing just really easy things. I haven't done like a big shopping haul. I haven't planned a lot of things because I know we have things here that we can kind of eat. So next week on Monday, I will share my meal plan for that week. But like I said, this week is a holiday and everything is just kind of different, so I decided not to do a meal plan this week. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope this gives you some motivation to get things done early in the week. If you live somewhere where it's not Thanksgiving this week for you, you can go on about your business and just have like a regular week and do your zone cleaning how you normally do it. That's fine. But like I said, for those of you that are in the United States and celebrating Thanksgiving this week, plan things just a little bit different. All right, guys, thanks so much, and I will see you next week.